What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Financier Pro. Happy New Year, 2021. Please subscribe, comment below. Today I'm going to talk about AG Jewelers. This is a $10,000 primary trade line. I'm coming to you strong in the new year with this primary trade line, $10,000. I did my research on it. I'm seeing a lot of great positive things for it. They do report to all three credit bureaus. So I'm going to jump right into it now, guys. How it works. Attractive Gems Jewelers $10,000 revolving credit line with 24 month zero financing gives you opportunity to obtain a credit card even if you have bad credit. And I believe this is not a hard inquiry on your credit report. It's not a hard pull. So I'm going to get into it and see and do some more research on that, but I believe it's not a hard pull on your credit report. Hopefully they say it in the guide. I'm looking at the guidelines right now. So your approval is guaranteed as long as you meet the criteria. You must have a social security number, you must be 18 years old, and you must be a U.S. citizen. Accounts are reported to all three credit bureaus. That's TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. Attractive Gems Jewelers $10,000 revolving credit line has a one-time membership fee of $149 and an annual maintenance fee of $99. The membership fee effective date of the agreement, borrower will be charged a one-time non-refundable membership fee of $149 to initiate it, to set it up, annual fee. A maintenance and service fee of $99 will be applied to your account each year, the beginning of anniversary date, whatever date you apply the following year to go on there, the $99. So here we go, just like I said, Attractive Gem Jewelers will not pull a hard or soft inquiry in your credit report, but will identify your identity through a secure system that's using your social security number. So it's not a hard pull, it's not a soft pull, but they do report to all three credit bureaus. And I'll put the link to this website in the video description as well. Attractive Gem Jeweler reports your account to all three credit bureaus on a monthly basis as long as you have the membership. You can cancel your yearly membership fee at any time. At any time you decide to cancel your membership, your account will be reported as closed. If Attractive Gem Jewelers does not receive your yearly membership payment on the due date, your account will not be reported the following month and will consider your account closed. There are no refunds as this is a digital product unless the account is not reported for 90 days. So you got up to 90 days. They will report it to all three credit bureaus. It will take between 15 to 45 days from the day you become a member for them to report that to the credit bureau. So give it a little time, guys. Credit takes time, especially $10,000 credit line. You are not required to purchase any jewelry because the jewelry costs. That's just how it is. So I have the same thing with Direct Coast and my Jewelers Club. For you guys that already have that, it's the same thing. This is $10,000 reported to all three credit bureaus, and I don't even think my Jewelers Club or Direct reports to all three credit bureaus. I really personally don't care about TransUnion at all because I know that major companies only care about Experian and Equifax. So this one reports to all three credit bureaus. If you decide to use your lines of credit to purchase jewelry from our website at any of our retail locations, there will be a 20% down payment required with 24 months zero financing for the remaining balance. Your minimum monthly payment will be 5% or $30, whichever is greater, unless your account balance is less than $30, in which the case the minimum monthly payment will be due. Free shipping for any items purchased through our website or retail locations. If your account is disputed for any reason, your revolving credit line will be immediately closed. If you dispute anything on your credit with their name on it, they will automatically close your account on all 3 credit bureaus, and the balance owed will be due immediately. So be careful with that. If the balance is not paid in full, the amount owed will be reported as closed and a charge off after 180 days. So don't do that, guys. Pay it off if you get something financed. If you decide to purchase jewelry using your $10,000 credit card account, please come in any of the retail stores currently in Texas and California. Our website will be available spring 2021 for online purchases using your $10,000 credit account. So this is A&G or AG Attractive Gems jewelry. So I'm going to put this website in the video description. This is $10,000 primary trade line. Remember, no hard or soft credit pull. $10,000 primary trade line. If you guys already have this, please let me know how is it going for you in the comments. See you guys next time on Financier Pro YouTube channel.